Here's our trip from Matlock Bath in the Derbyshire Dales to the Triumph Factory Visitor Experience at Hinckley in Leicestershire. A big thank you to the sponsors of this video and providers of gear and accessories: Roadskin, Hood Motorcycle Jeans, Sport Touring and Ghost Bikes. But first, here's the bikes. First up is the Triumph Speed Triple 1200 RR. The 1160cc engine generates 178 horsepower and 125 newton meters of torque. The suspension and braking systems are courtesy of Öhlins and Brembo, and there's a lovely 5-inch TFT dash with all the metrics that you're going to need. Weighing in at 199 kilograms, the 1200 RR has a seat height of 830 millimeters, and the fuel tank holds 15.5 litres. Prices start at 17,950, and you can add extras such as a tyre pressure monitoring system, internally wired heated grips, scrolling LED indicators, and a Thatcham approved tracker. Next up is the bike that made Jono very excited to ride. It is the CCM Tracker. This 4-stroke single-cylinder beast has a 600cc engine that generates 55 horsepower and 55 newton meters of torque. It's got a seat height of 830 millimeters that can be adjusted to 880 millimeters. The Tracker weighs in at just 145 kilograms, the lightest of our bikes in this video. The fuel tank holds 14 litres, but you won't mind filling up more often, as everyone will admire this gorgeous, handcrafted work of art. Priced at from 14,600, it's not cheap, but the absolute quality will remain long after the price is forgotten.
Come here, follow me. Ready? Down there. Now go back to the dash and you'll see
The third and final bike for the video is Andy's Royal Enfield Himalayan 450. This 452cc liquid-cooled single weighs in at 198 kilograms and generates 40 horsepower at 8,000 RPM and 40 newton meters of torque at 5,500 RPM. It has a standard seat height of 825 millimeters and there's a low seat available at 805mm. The Himalayan has a 17-litre fuel tank, full LED lights and a 4-inch TFT display with phone connectivity and full map navigation powered by Google Maps. There's a few ride modes to play with and a USB Type-C charging point. All this for just £6,250.
Give it a few revs, Andy.
Okay, let's send off to Hinckley for some Triumph factory visitor action.
Okay, so we have landed at the Triumph Visitors Centre. What an impressive building. And the guys, after a blast down the M1 to get here, are just having a little sit. Hello guys.
Right, let's have a quick whistle stop look around. You really don't have to be a Triumph nut to enjoy the Triumph factory visitor experience at Hinckley, open Wednesdays to Sundays. It's free to get in, but if you want the 90-minute guided factory tour, it's £28. So the exhibit tells the full story of the brand and showcases priceless highlights of Triumph's historic and modern achievements in motorcycling, racing, the movies and popular culture. Many motorcycles on display are provided courtesy of the Dick Shepherd collection, and there's a cafe and gift shop located in the free-to-enter exhibition area. So go and enjoy some real motorcycling heritage at the home of Triumph. We often get asked what gear was provided for us for these videos, so here's a brief look at the gear we wore. Full details and links are in the description of the video. Jonathan is wearing the Agrius Airflow Air motorcycle jacket and trousers, an AA rated suit from Ghost Bikes that will set you back just £170. And Simon is wearing the armoured motorcycle shirt from Roadskin and the K7 Easy Fit AAA rated motorcycle jeans from Hood. Andy is wearing the AA rated Easy Rider 2 motorcycle armoured hoodie from Roadskin and the K7 AAA rated Easy Fit motorcycle jeans from Hood.